Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best trailer brake testers on the market, the Trailer Brakes Breakaway Kit.
If you're towing trailers and want peace of mind, this is the product you need. Let's explore why. The Trailer Brakes Breakaway Kit is designed to ensure your trailer's safety while towing. It's equipped with LED indicators, making it easy to monitor the battery's charge status. This kit activates the trailer brakes automatically if the trailer becomes disconnected, preventing potential accidents. In terms of performance, this kit excels. It's been rigorously tested to meet high standards, ensuring it performs flawlessly when needed most. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or maneuvering through tricky terrain, you can rely on the Trailer Brakes Breakaway Kit to keep your trailer secure. Comparing it to similar products on the market, the Trailer Brakes Breakaway Kit offers exceptional value for its price. Its robust build and reliable performance make it a standout choice among trailer brake systems. To sum up, if you're serious about trailer safety, the Trailer Brakes Breakaway Kit is a must-have. It combines ease of use with top-notch performance, ensuring your peace of mind on every journey. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a professional hauler, investing in this kit is investing in safety. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe.